brown bomb peekaboo wig. Oh, child, Charmaine don't even believe in it. And it's got some tape of the Scotch type. Break the stereotype against synthetic wigs. Yes! Honey, they coming with the user manual. It's over with. Heat safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's cute on the picture, but you already know about Amazon in their picture. What's this, Halloween or tiger stripe? You already... It's not terrible, but it is synthetic.
There's no question about that.
Make it enough.
Okay.
Hey guys, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slate today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slate today.
Let the church say subscribe.
What's up, y'all? I'm coming to you guys with another Amazon find. Now listen, this one is not as well known of a brand, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. That's what I'm saying to you. You think I do, I don't. It's cute on the picture, but you already know about Amazon in their pictures. So you got to have some discernment. There's a right and a wrong way to make a wig.
And I don't know which way across the line this particular vendor was.
Now they got a little Halloween to it. Or what's this? Halloween or tiger stripe? The box is a little janky and it's got some tape of the Scotch type along the hem of it. It needs to touch another hem, but that's okay. Brown bomb. That's what they say, brown bomb. Honey, they coming with the user manual. It's over with. It's over with for the rest of y'all. Y'all got pamphlets. They have user manuals. You see that? Now, I like this little booklet. The colors and everything. It's giving energy. It's giving vibrance. Purple. It's giving color. It's giving we about to slay all day. It's giving booklet. Wig cap. But I'm gonna wear the black wig cap today. I've been trying the black wig caps. I got that from Miss Chrissy with a K. We have our melt band. You already, honey, and this is nice and secure too. This is synthetic. It's not Nisha synthetic, okay? It's not on that level of syntheticality, okay? It's not. It's a little bit underneath that, okay?
Make it enough.
It's not terrible, but it is synthetic.
There's no question about that. Okay.
It's a T-part wig. This is the inside of the cap. We have 2 combs off to the side with pride, 1 off in the back, adjustable strap. You already know what time it is. Oh, child, Charmaine don't even believe in it. We testing this one out, because I don't know. Brown bomb peekaboo wig, highlight lace front wig, pre-plucked, ready to wear, glueless, lace front wig, 26 inches, highlight wig, effortless, chic vibes. I don't know, to be honest. It could be okay. Less is more. 13 by 5 by 1, HD lace. Pre-plucked, ready to wear. It's giving scalp.
This what they say now.
Y'all, was $39, so we'll see. And the shipping is quick. Now, I have Amazon Prime. If y'all don't have Prime, yours could come at a different time. I don't know. Break the stereotype against synthetic wigs. Yes! The game done changed with synthetic wigs now, regardless of what happened with this one. Because I don't know. I ain't tried it yet. Wig cap is a 22.5, so that's a medium wig cap. Heat safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We finna try this. Listen, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun, okay? Let's see. Hold a minute.